Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if this is at a really awkward angle. I'm recording now. It's my friend. She's going to be in the video as well. So this video is going to be making puffy slime with contact lens solution and baking soda. So puffy slime is like, we don't have any shaving cream. This foam soap. First, we're going to add some glue. This is Elmer's, by the way. And this smells so good. It's from Dollarama though. Don't worry, not sponsored. Except. So if this video is like really short, just. By the way, guys, don't forget to check out my best friend's channel, Julia the Cat Squad. It's awesome. Julia the Cat Squad. So it's not activating, and that's what's supposed to happen because now I'm going to add some baking soda. But I don't know, that I'm out of that activator, and I love slime, so I'm just going to use this for my slime. By the way, after the baking soda hardens the slime, so we could make it normal now, and then we just add some glue so it's like stickier because it's gonna turn hard. It's really thick. So I'm gonna add a little bit more and then just keep on stirring it. This feels really cool right now. Let me put it on the table and knead it. Whoa, this is like cool. It's like sticky, but then not sticky. Now add a little bit more of this. Whoa, that like just pulled it all together. And I didn't even add that much baking soda. Whoa. A little bit more baking soda. Yeah, that's my friend's hands. She painted her nails. Wait, what? What's that? What's that? Ew. Now, what should we color it? So I have purple, green, another green, blue, and a lighter purple. Julia, which one should I do? Blue? Okay. I'll do blue. I don't know why I said it's cool and it literally crunched. Yeah, look how cool this looks though. So I made this, so I was gonna make a video and then it just didn't work out because the battery of the camera died. And then I just left this slime to sit out because I like making these caps now. And they're so cool. They're like glitter caps. Why is this one oddly harder than that one? Feel it. Really. How is this one oddly harder than that one? What the heck?
That's weird.
By the way, this glitter was really expensive for glitter. It was like $7.
At Michael's.
Yeah, at Michael's. Okay, this pink better not get into the blue. Some did, but it's okay. Whoa, that actually looks like it's pink. Kinda, doesn't it, Julia?
Yeah.
That oddly looks like it's pink. This oddly looks like a really, really light pink. Maybe not on camera, but like it looks really oddly like a light pink.
Yeah.
Like it's just glitter. Okay, let me see. Oh, I have some little bit of glitter glue. Nah. I'll use that. I do have this watered down pink glue. I didn't have that much pink glue, so I just watered it down. And now I could just make jiggly slime with it. But I don't really want this to be jiggly, but that's okay because I just added a little bit. Anyways, water doesn't make everything jiggly. Like when you wash your hair doesn't become jiggly. Yeah, that would just been gross. Well, I know that all slimes eventually harden up, but like this one hardens up overnight. Like it doesn't dry out, but like it hardens if you add baking soda. So I'm gonna just add some glue to this one. So if this looks really cringy, add some more of this pink. I don't think it shows really how pink it is on camera.
Yeah.
Maybe I could turn the, oh yeah, you could kind of see it. It's like, okay, this blue just looks too bright. Like, look how bright that looks on camera. It's actually really light in real life, but like, on camera it just doesn't look good together. Like, look how bad these look together.
Yeah, somehow we have to make this lighter.
Wait. We could just add some of this into there, and it's gonna turn lighter. Because this pink isn't really pinky, and then I could just add some. It's gonna turn pink.
Well, that's a good match together, actually.
Yeah, that actually looks nice. Even in camera, it kind of looks nice. I just need to add a little bit more pink to that pink. Comment down below where you get your pink food colorings if you make slime. Because I have some upstairs that I got from Sobeys, but I'm too lazy to get that. Ugh. By the way, there's a really nice girl out there on YouTube. She subscribed to my channel just because she is so nice. Aliva Newsome. Well, the reason actually is because I commented on one of her comments, and
What did you say?
I forgot. She said yeah, lol, because it was like a funny video, and she said like the regret in, like, there was a girl in the video, the regret in the girl's face though, and I was like, yeah, lol, and she said, OMG, thank you for replying. This is my first reply. I'm gonna subscribe to your channel.
Can you shout out my channel, please?
Yeah, I already shouted out. It's Julia the Cat Squad. It's so good.
Julia the Cat Squad, yeah. I just have 2 videos because I don't post that much, but I'm gonna post today, later.
I'm glued to this because it is so hard. When I Julia, feel this. It feels so cool. Yeah, Parker says that all the time. And Parker is watching YouTube.
Oh. And Alexander.
Alexander Wander.
Yeah.
Sasha. Throw them together though. No, take both of them and then swirl it. Like, put both of them together and then swirl it. And then swirl it right now. Like, swirl it right now.
Wow.
Whoa. Look how beautiful that is, guys.
I'll put some sprinkles. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the style, girl. Sorry if the black ones look bad. Now let's mix it. Take screenshots though. That's our beautiful heart. And there's our beautiful heart. Screenshot that. Bye guys.
Bye.
Love you.
Mwah.